A 31-year-old man who claims he is the illegitimate son of Jay-Z has been left heartbroken by the world-famous rapper's harsh response to allegations that he sexually molested a 13-year-old girl. Jay-Z, 55, actual name Shawn Carter, argued he is the victim of a blackmail effort as he fought back at a legal lawsuit filed Sunday that claimed Sean Diddy Combs was by his side when the alleged event occurred in 2000. Rymir Satterthwaite has been struggling to establish Carter is his biological father for a decade, with his late mother Wanda saying she was only 16 years old when she became pregnant. It is both heartbreaking and frustrating to see Mr. Carter respond to allegations with such deflection and attacks, he told dailymail.com about Jay-Z's comments. My late mother, Wanda, was only 16 years old when she fell pregnant with me, and for years, I have sought clarification about my identity. This is not about greed or spectacle, it is about revealing the truth and holding all parties accountable. Carter is accused of attacking a lady, identified as Jane Doe in legal records, at an MTV Video Music Awards afterparty on September 7, 2000. Rymir Satterthwaite, Jay-Z's illegitimate son, is devastated by the rapper's harsh response to allegations of sexual assault against a 13-year-old girl. Rymir, 31, claims Jay-Z, 55, had a love relationship with his late mother Wanda in the early 1990s. The rapper has never denied the affair, but he has declined to get a paternity test. The lawsuit was filed against Diddy in New York's Southern District in October, with a refiling on Sunday that identified the rapper. Carter issued a lengthy statement to dailymail.com, denying the claims in the refiled lawsuit and insisting he has always fought to protect children. He stated that his sole sadness is for his family, especially his eldest daughter Blue Ivy, 12, who is at the age where her friends will surely see the press and ask questions about the nature of these claims. He continued, I mourn yet another loss of innocence. Rymir challenged Carter's comments, arguing that if he valued respect and safeguarding children, he should recognize his paternity. Despite my attempts, Mr. Carter has never written a letter to me to address these charges, whether to dispute or recognize fatherhood, or to explain why his attorneys committed this deception. He went on to say, if Mr. Carter appreciates the ideas of honor and child protection, as he states in his letter, he should take a transparent approach. Rymir's mother, Wanda, claims she had intercourse with Jay-Z in 1992, when she was 16 and he was 22. He continues to dodge the issue. At the time, she was in an on-and-off-again romance with her high school lover, Robert Graves. Carter, 55, issued a long statement refuting the allegations made in the lawsuit and saying that he has always battled to safeguard children. The statement prompted Rymir to question why the rapper can't acknowledge his paternity. Rymir said, if Mr. Carter supports the ideas of honor and child protection, as he asserts in his letter, he should act transparently. He continues to deflect and evade. The issue of Rymir's paternity did not become a legal struggle until 2010, 2 years after Carter married Beyoncé, when she demanded that a Pennsylvania court force both men take a paternity test in order to ascertain who her son's real father was. Rymir claims Jay-Z's legal team has made numerous attempts to circumvent the judicial system in order to avoid taking the test. It was discovered that Robert had no biological relationship. The case began with a pre-trial in Camden County, New Jersey, on August 13, 2012. During the pre-trial, Carter's counsel contended that Dr. Lily Coley, who has served as Rymir's legal guardian since his mother handed over custody in 2011, had no jurisdiction over his case because it was first filed by Wanda in Pennsylvania and should be heard in the same state. The case was dismissed outright because Rymir was over 18 years old at the time of the pre-trial. According to Pennsylvania state law, paternity must be established before a kid reaches the age of adulthood. The court concluded that the case should be prosecuted under New Jersey law, which says that the age of parentage is 23. Carter's legal team then contended that the rapper should be immune from getting a DNA test in New Jersey because he did not live or own any property in the state, despite public records linking him to properties in Alpine and Newport. Rymir has lost each case he has brought. Carter attacked the latest idiotic charges against him in a long statement, claiming that Texas-based attorney Tony Busby, who filed the action, engaged in unprofessional behavior. The suit claims Jane Doe was transported to a home party and handed a drink that made her feel woozy, lightheaded, and needed to lie down. Combs and Carter are then reported to have entered the room, with Combs proclaiming, "You are ready to party." She claims Carter then stripped her naked, restrained her, and raped her in front of Diddy and an unnamed female celebrity. She claims Combs also raped her while Carter and the woman looked on. "These charges are so horrible that I beg you to file a criminal complaint rather than a civil one. Whoever would conduct such a crime against a youngster should be imprisoned, wouldn't you agree?" Carter said in his statement. If this were the case, the putative victims would be entitled to true justice. Busby has recently filed several cases against Combs, accusing him of abuse and rape. This is his first lawsuit in which he has named another well-known defendant.